Hello friends, very good morning to everybody. So we have ordered a garden accessory for our garden. So let's unbox it. So today we are going to see a unboxing video. So let's open it. Wait, I will take it out. So we have ordered a pot stand. Two pot stand we have ordered. In one we can keep three pots. So six pots we can keep. And as per this pot stand, I have also ordered six pots because that big pot has broken down. So for substitute for that, we have ordered this and that six pot. So let's unbox it, and when that other six pots come, I will also give an unboxing video for that. So let's cut it. It's very easy, we can cut it with our hand itself. So it's really very good quality. You can see the paint and these rods are really very good quality. And I also ordered this type of pot and I kept it in my garden at that last. So in that I have kept two big pots. So it's really very useful and very quality, friends. You can also try buying it. Instead of putting this one stand, you can just directly put this multi-stand. And not only that, you may ask why we are putting this pot stand and all. We are putting a pot stand because during rainy season and all, or normal time also, when we water the plant, the excess water will come out by drainage holes. So if that water directly go to the this roof cement floor, what will happen means the water will get absorbed in the cement, and it will get damaged, and there will be lot of damage in the floor and your house also. So because of that reason only we are buying this. And this is also very good, friends. It can take the weight of three pots at a time. So it's really very good quality. So let's unbox it, this cover and all. Hello friends, now we have unboxed it. So if you see, the speciality in this is they gave under this bottom rod a small rubber like thing, so that no damage like this and all will be not there. I'll show you. You can also see, you can hear the sound. So it's a rubber. It's also very good for your floor. So we have ordered four like this. Actually, I thought only two is there, but they have kept under and four is there. So the cost is also really very good only. They have gave the correct cost. You can buy it in Amazon or any other online sites, friends. It's really very good. So if you are living in a flat and all, you can keep like this, or terrace garden also you can keep like this. It will be very useful. So now I'll show you that. So you can see this is really very well. So these rods are really very good in quality. I bought this 3 months before. It's really very good in quality, and you can itself see I'm having two very big plant and a very big pot. A lot of sand is there. It's easily taking up the weight. And in this sometime they will give like this iron basement itself, but it's good to buy rubber basement. It's good. So this is also another variety. If you want, you can buy this also. So thanks, friends. Bye. Meet you all in the next video.